Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. Today I'm going to talk about API Gateway. So what is API Gateway? So API Gateway is nothing but a component that separates out the cross-cutting concerns like authentication, authorization, SSL termination, and DDoS protection or throttling. Suppose we are creating an e-commerce website. So for that we have developed one web application which has these four URLs or endpoints. The first one is slash home, the second one is slash products, the third one is slash cart slash get, and the last one is slash cart slash add. Okay, and in the left side we have multiple clients like desktop or mobile device. So here will be one client as desktop and here will be one client, that is mobile. So what it will do first, it will send a request to our endpoints or URLs. So at first it will send the request to slash home. So whenever it will send one request to slash home, the static HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will be loaded to the client side. Next, it will call slash products. It will call the slash products URL or endpoint to get all the products in form of JSON. Finally, it will call slash cart slash get and slash cart slash add to get the details from the cart and also for adding the product details inside the cart. Now, I'm going to separate this whole website into several components like which needs authentication and which needs authorization. So here we have to split our application into three sections like slash home slash products and slash cart slash add and slash cart slash get, and here slash product slash add slash product slash delete. So the first section, those are slash home and slash product, don't need any authorization or authentication because anyone visits the website get the product list without logging in into their website. So here one doesn't need any authentication or authorization. Now come to the second one. Those are slash cart slash add and slash cart slash get. So whenever one chooses one product and wish to save it inside the cart, he or she must be logged in into our e-commerce website. So for that we need here authentication. And finally, if you look at the third section, that is slash product slash add and slash product slash delete, these all need one separate role to access these URL or endpoints because no one can delete, add, or edit a product for their particular role. Only admin can do edit, delete, add operation. Now coming to the third part. If you just notice the third part, the URLs are slash product slash add slash products slash delete. And if you just notice, when you go inside any e-commerce web application, you can't actually delete, add, or edit any product. It is only done by the admin role or some specific user role who has the admin permission. So here I will need one authorization service. So at the left, if you just notice, the clients are sending one request. So these are nothing but a HTTP request. Next, we have to ensure that a web application is secure. So for that, instead of HTTP, we want to have HTTPS in our web application. And for that, we need to use SSL certificate in the first section, and it will be the best if you use SSL certificate on rotation, like changing once in a month or once in 60 days. So our web application now has these three added components in addition to all business logic. And we would also separate the component which is not in our business logic, and that component is called an API gateway. So let's make that API gateway component. So here will be that API gateway component, which has three layers: security, authentication, and authorization. And then at the rightmost side will be our website, and it contains the URLs or endpoints like slash home, slash product, and all the URLs. So by looking into this picture, we can easily say API gateway is a gateway which acts as an entry point for your API. So every time the clients makes one request, it first go to the API gateway and ensures if the user is authenticated and authorized and also has SSL certificate verified or not. And then the request will be forwarded to our web application. So I think this video has helped you to understand what is API gateway. So for further videos, please click on the subscribe and like button. Thank you.